In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Roblox account to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use the same Roblox account that you have on different platforms, such as on a PC or mobile, to play on a PlayStation 5. All of your avatar items, all of your customization things, all of your profile things will transfer over and you will be able to play the same experiences with the same amount of progress that you have made. So all that you have to do is first open the PlayStation Store and look for Roblox. To download Roblox, just select the Roblox icon, choose the option to add to your library and follow the on-screen instructions. Once Roblox is installed, you will be able to start it by selecting it from your game library. Once you have opened Roblox for the first time, you will usually see the login screen. So if you already have an account, all that you have to do is input your credentials. So you will be able to choose the option to sign in using your email and password or your username and password. Just make sure to include those details and you will be able to sign in without any issues to a pre-existing Roblox account. You might also see the quick login option. Quick login refers to scanning some sort of QR code, and this will allow you to log in without having to input your username or password. So for example, if you are already logged in on a mobile device, you will be able to go over to the menu, access the settings, and choose quick login. Then point your camera towards this QR code, and you will be able to get in on your PlayStation 5. And there is no secret to this. As soon as you include the valid credentials of an account, you will log in and you will be able to see all of the details about your account. You will see all of the recent experiences, all of your friends, your avatar, and so on, and everything will be accessible. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Roblox account to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.